Greetings. I am Marcy Einhorn, a New York attorney and speaker on money, debt, and the law. This video is the third in a three-part series about the important topic of garnishment of assets. In this series, I have identified 9 frequently asked questions about garnishment of assets and provide answers to these questions in an easy-to-understand format. Each of the 3 videos in the series answers 3 different questions about the topic. If you would prefer to see this information in a printed format, all 9 questions and answers are available as a printed brochure for sale on my website at a nominal cost, www.nylifeordebt.com. I hope you will find this information helpful. If you feel that you need legal advice regarding your specific situation, please be sure to find an attorney who understands the law of garnishments. These videos are only offered as an introduction to the topic and are not meant to replace the help that only a qualified attorney can offer in a private consultation. And now for the last of 3 of 9 questions in the brochure, Everything You Always Wanted to Know About Garnishment of Assets. What if I am behind on my student loans? After you are several months behind in your payments, a private lender will eventually declare your loan to be in default. The lender must sue you for a loan that is in default within 6 years after you are declared in default. Student loans are subject to limits similar to other debts on the amount that can be garnished, and no more than 25% of your disposable income may be taken by all of your creditors at any one time. Can someone freeze my bank account and garnish my assets? Usually, the creditor will only attempt to collect on the debt one way. If they try both ways, you can always go to court and explain that there is already an order against you to collect the judgment one way, and that the order should be vacated, especially if the maximum amount under the law is already being taken from your paycheck or bank account. Can more than one creditor come after my paycheck? More than one creditor can garnish your paycheck at the same time, but not for more than is allowed by law. Usually, a second creditor will have to wait to collect until the first creditor has been paid off. And that completes a 3-part series of Everything You Always Wanted to Know About Garnishment of Assets.